gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my Heroes Tower Mystery Box. For those of you who don't know, the Heroes Tower is a geeky subscription box that you can get on Cratejoy. It is hands down one of my favorite subscription boxes that I get every month. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay guys, for those of you who have not seen me unbox this subscription box, I do have a friendly craft challenge that goes on every month with the owner of the Heroes Tower. So after I unbox the subscription box, I will show you what the craft results are from the craft item challenge from last month, as well as what the craft item challenge will be for this month. So let's get started. All right, here's the mystery box. Woo! I'm so super excited, guys. I look forward to this one every single month. All right, let's open this up and see what he has in store for me. He never disappoints, guys. This is such a, oh wow. Where to start? Where to start? Okay, let's go ahead and start here. This is so incredibly cute. I love Mickey Mouse. My son loves Mickey Mouse. I got a Mickey Mouse keychain. How cute is that, guys? I love it, love it, love it. That is just darling. I am so super stoked. Love it. Okay, let's go ahead and jump. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so much stuff in here. Look, we have all of this to go through. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this open and see what we have in here. All kinds of fun goodies, guys. This one, I don't remember how much I pay each month for this subscription box, but whatever it is, it's 100% worth it. So we have a coaster. I'm not sure what it is. I'm sorry. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, it's Wonder Woman. Boom! I had it the wrong way. So if you put it the right way, it's Wonder Woman coaster. This is awesome. This is made from those fused beads, and it is a handmade item. I love it. It is absolutely stunning. Awesome. Okay, now we have a handmade Spider-Man magnet. This is cool. I can never have too many magnets, guys. I wish I can just have my entire fridge covered in geeky magnets from this one and my Cal Fandom monthly subscription. Okay, guys, I have more stuff in here. Oh my gosh, stop it. This thing is chocked full. Wowzers. I have a couple more Spider-Man magnets that I didn't realize were in there. So I have two more in addition to the one that I just showed you. How cool is that? That is going to be great for my son's pictures and things that he gives to me. What's this? Repurposed paper crafts. Recycled book art journals and paper supplies. How do I do this? tallhillupcycled.com. Custom orders available. Repurposed paper crafts. Well, that's pretty cool. I think this is like a money clip or something. I think that's what this is. And it is Batman. How cool is that? So I'm going to highlight this company for you guys because I have not seen this one in Chad's box. This is really cool. I absolutely love it. Wowzers. I think that's what it is. I think because it seems like you just separate. Oh, it's a paper clip. Stop it. So it's a paper clip inside this thing, guys. So that's what you would use this for, to like clasp your papers together. That is really cool. The name of the company is Tall Hill Upcycled Repurposed Paper Crafts. I will pop their stuff up for you guys so that you guys know where to get it. They are at tallhillupcycled.com, and they do have custom orders. So that means if you have a particular character or something like that you would like them to do, they can probably do it for you. Awesome. I will definitely look into that place. Oh, stop! It's Donatello! Ah! It's a Donatello coffee cup koozie thingamabobber. These are so super cute, guys, and I love Donatello. He is definitely my favorite. A lot of detail went into this, guys. These buttons are eyes. That is cool. So this is from an Etsy store called CS Cozy Stitching. I will have a link in the description box below for this company as well. They have all kinds of different super fun characters for their cup koozie thingamabobbers. They're awesome. You guys got to check them out. Okay, what do we have here? Jumbo playing cards. I love to play cards, guys. That's something I haven't disclosed to you guys or let you guys know, but this is awesome. Look at this. Spider-Man jumbo playing cards. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so super excited. I can mix up a deck of cards like no other. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is cool. I'm very excited about that, if you couldn't tell. Okay, so what do we got in here? Oh, stop it. Oh, I'm gonna beat. This is exciting. Ah, this is So exciting. Okay, so we have a vintagey looking Superman postcard, and he also sends you the postage stamp as well as the postcard so that you can send a geeky hello to somebody in your life. I think that is so super fun and cool, although I've yet to send any of the postcards because I always want to frame them. But that is super awesome. But this is what I was so excited about, guys. Stop it! We have a Batman slap bracelet. Do you guys remember these things? Slap bracelets were the thing when I was a kid. This one's for a smaller wrist than mine. It looks like it's for maybe a kid, although it fits all the way, so we'll keep it on. Awesome. But my son likes them too, so that's super cool. What is this? Guys, I love Optimus Prime. And this is an Optimus Prime figurine. What? Look at that, guys. I am so super excited. You have no idea how exciting this is. Okay, let's pop him out of here because you guys got to see it. I'm trying to keep this video short, but you know, you got to see. Oh, stop it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yes, look at him. I love it. It is so awesome. You guys. Oh, sorry. Let me try to show you the back of this. Oh, I am in love. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. Oh, I love it when he includes the figurines. That is so incredibly cool. And that should have been like the final item that I showed you guys. But, you know, that's what I picked up before this. And then we have these super cool, really awesome, I'm going to have some ideas for these Wonder Woman dimensional stickers. Look at that. Yes, yes, and yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, my mind is spinning right now. What am I going to do with these? I don't know. I have to think about it. But I'm so super excited. Dang, Chad, you killed it. He does include an item list for his subscription boxes, and it's folded over because I don't like to know. For me, he does. I don't know if he's doing that for all of them right now, just in case I didn't know what something was, and I got it all correct. So we're on good track today. Does that make sense? Probably not. Okay, so here is the craft item and the challenge for last month. So last month, he sent these Justice League cards to me, and we had to figure out a craft, each of us, to make with these Justice League cards. I'm not going to lie. It was pretty hard, Chad. But I think I came up with something pretty cool. Let's see what Chad came up with first. So here we go. Let's see what he made. Ooh, what is happening in here? Oh gosh, it's like a cool game or something. What the heck? Guys, I don't know what it is, but it is super cool. Look at this. Okay, so he's got all these cards, and it's like a game setup kind of situation, right? Look at that, guys. Oh, this is so incredibly cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Hold on. Custom made dice tower out of a flexible foam board with sticky back hot glue, super glue, and Justice League playing cards. So he did Mod Podge these together, but this is awesome, guys. What? Oh, I see how he made that. That is so cool. What an idea. Oh my gosh, stop it. So he even put a dice in here for me. So let's give this a go, guys. Oh no, I dropped the dice. I'm going to do something I never do, and I'm going to bend over on camera because I can see where the dice is, so I can easily pick it up. All right, so here we go. You put the dice in here. Oh, that is so cool. Guys, that's going to be fun when I'm playing Yahtzee and stuff. Stop it. So that just like makes it. Oh, that is like the coolest idea ever, Chad. Oh my gosh. I can't stop it. You're killing it. Oh my gosh. What a cool idea. I really like this idea. And I'm totally using this when I play Yahtzee, which I do quite often. Just saying. Okay. So that's what Chad made. Now it's time to see what I made with the Justice League playing cards. I have it right here. I kind of got to bend down a little bit. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And here's what I made. What? So I made made a clock with the Justice League cards. I will have a full tutorial on how I made this clock on my Make It Monday this coming Monday. So here's where the cards are. I cut them out in little circles, and then I took those awesome stickers that I got from Jean, from Jean's Junk, that she sent to me in a friend mailbox, and I just added those to make it look super busy because I'm a super busy kind of girl. Now you really can't see the numbers very good. I wish I would have had red, but I didn't have red available when I put this together. But my original intention was to use red or even yellow stickers for the numbers, something that would stick out a little bit more. But all I had on hand were the green ones, so it kind of blends in. It's like sort of functional clock, but maybe not that functional clock. I don't know, but I still think it's really cool. I'm super excited to hang it up, and yes, I will be hanging this up, and it will be in my house for sure. I am super excited. So this is what I made with the 12 Justice League cards that Chad sent to me. I am super proud of this craft. I'm really excited about it, and like I said, I will have a full tutorial on my Make It Monday. And then this is what Chad made. I love this. I'm so excited about this. Guys, I play Yahtzee all the time. This is going to be awesome for my Yahtzee games. There is no stopping me now. I am like the Yahtzee queen. Everybody hates to play with me because I always win. Just saying. All right. Super awesome. Now, let's move into what we're going to be making for next month. So, the craft challenge for next month is unbelievable. You keep challenging me more and more. He keeps making it harder and harder, folks. These little wood blocks. What? Come on, guys. Oh my gosh. How many are there? It doesn't say. So hold on. Let's open this up. Chad, be glad you don't live near me. I'm just saying. Might have to come over and strangle you. Nonetheless, it's these super awesome little wood blocks. What the heck am I going to make, guys? So now I have to think of a craft to make with these wood blocks. Any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Just saying. And we need to keep it geeky, guys. So some kind of fun geeky craft I can make with those wood blocks. And it says rules, no limitations. What will you create? I have no idea. Guys, I don't even have an... Usually I can see something, an idea pops right into my head. Yeah, that didn't happen with these. So I'm going to have to brainstorm for a little bit to figure out what the heck I'm going to make with these little wood blocks. Chad, I love your craft challenges. I look forward to this box every single month before the craft challenge, but now I really look forward to it with the craft challenge. I'm so happy that you put this in place. This is so super fun, and there's nothing better than a little bit of fun between crafters. I love it. All right, guys, I will have everything linked in the description box below for the Heroes Tower mystery box and anything else that I mentioned in this video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Hey, this is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you hair in my mouth. Ugh. Heroes Tower is a geeky subscription box that you can get on Cratejoy. I will have a link in the description box below. I felt like I wanted to say something else, but I really don't. So hold on. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's... I feel like it's off. Try again. Okay, guys, for those of you who have not seen me unbox this subscription box, Okay, guys, for those of you who have not seen me unbox this subscription box, hold on. I will have the results of the last month's craft challenge as well as the craft challenge item for the coming month.